Charging your MX-30 REV can be just as convenient as fueling your car. You have multiple charging options. You can charge your vehicle at home, at AC charging stations, or at DC quick chargers. At home, you can use your charge connector. The AC current will then be converted to DC current with the 11 kilowatt onboard charger. The same happens at a public AC charging station, but public charging stations can supply more current than home power outlets. That's why charging is faster there. At a fast charging station, you get DC current right away, charging your battery directly. To charge your MX-30 REV from 20 to 80%, you only need about 25 minutes under ideal conditions. The charging process becomes slower the fuller the battery becomes, to prevent damage. Therefore, it is more cost and time efficient to use fast charging until the battery reaches 80%, and then continue on the journey.